Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing baby prototype. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves up in the center. Now from the top, let's curve it out and down. And a curve to close off the bottom of each eye. Now inside the left eye, let's add a circle. And another one inside. And color this one in black. Now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw 2 curves for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And a large curve down underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's draw 2 lines down from the top. And close it off at the bottom. And then a bump up at the bottom for the tongue. And color the rest of the mouth in black. Now that we're done the mouth, let's hop out and we're going to draw a sideways oval on each side for the cheeks. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the hat by drawing a large bump up on top. And then a smaller one on top in the center. Now for the sides, let's draw a curve down on each side like this. Then from the bottom, let's bring it up. And then a curve back into the head. Now underneath each side, let's add a circle. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Underneath in the center, let's start with 2 lines down for the neck. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the collar, let's draw a curve down and back in on each side. Now underneath the collar, let's draw a curve down on each side for the sides of the body. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a bib by drawing a curve down and back up at the top. Now on each side, let's draw a curve down. And then underneath each side, let's draw a larger curve around leaving it open at the ends here. And then another curve to close it off. Now in the center, let's draw the bottom of the body with a curve across. Now to continue the legs, let's add 2 curves down and in underneath. And then a curve to close off the ends. Now let's hop in and let's add another curve across. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's add another set behind. Let's start near the top of the legs and let's add a curve on top. Now let's add a longer curve going down on each side. And curve it back up underneath. And add one more curve inside across the center. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop back up and add the arms. On each side under the head, let's add a bump going down. Now let's add a larger curve underneath, leaving it open at the end like this. And close it off with a curve inwards. Now for the next part of the arm, let's add 2 angles down. And then a large circular curve at the end, leaving it open. Now let's hop in and we're going to draw 2 small curves inside. And then from each end, let's bring it out. And then in the center, we're going to close off the circle with a curve down in between. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a large oval. And then another one inside. And then let's add 3 bumps on each hand for the fingers. And that's it for baby prototype. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!